How to fix scheduled message not working on Instagram. Scheduled messages helps us stay consistent and save time, but your Instagram schedule is not working. If that's the issue, you can follow up the steps to fix it. So first of all, we may head over to our settings of our account. So once you're in Insta, go to your profile in the bottom right, and within your profile, look out for the professional dashboard. Make sure we are using a professional business or creator account because message scheduling usually does not work on personal accounts. So you should be having a professional dashboard. Also update Instagram. For that, you may close this up and we may head over to the Play Store. And within Play Store, we can update it. So go over the search and search for Insta. And once we find it up, we can update it. Look out for update if there is any kind of update available because outdated applications can often break scheduling features. And apart from that, what we can do is let's close this up for now. You can disable battery optimization. So for that, you may hit back, go to your settings of your device. And once we head over to our settings, scroll down, find the section for battery and tap on it. And within here, find Instagram under battery. So you can look out for today, view details, and look out for Insta here and set it to unrestricted. So head over to Insta, and within Insta, if there is any kind of background usage limits, you can turn it off. Similarly, if it is restricted, you can unrestrict it and even not optimize it. That should prevent the Android from killing the scheduled task. Sometimes the server may also be down. You can look out for the Meta's server issues. So we can wait it up and it should fix itself. And that's it. Those are probably the solutions. You may also hold it up and look out for the uninstall option and restart the phone and reinstall it and log in again. And that's it. Those fixes should get Instagram schedule messages working again. So you may follow for more advanced Instagram tips. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe.